Hey guys, this is Hybrid Comics here. It's January 17th, and this is my crypto journey. As you can see on CoinMarketCap, everything is down. Not everything, but almost everything. Tron is up. Coin is up. Smart Cash is up. But pretty much everything else is dying. So that's where the market is right now. If you got in December, you're probably hurting because pretty much since the middle of December, everything's down by 30, 40, 50%. So you could call this a crash or a correction. If you look at TradingView, here's Bitcoin, and it's gone down 50%. It went all the way down to 9,000. You can see down here I have my correction lines that I did in December. I thought it was going to correct down to there. And then the beginning of January, it had that dip. Right here, I thought that was a correction, and then I thought it was over. But this feels a lot more like the correction we were expecting. So it may still have room to go down here to hit the 8,000 mark, but hopefully after that, it's not, I don't think it would go down much farther than that. I hope it doesn't. Hopefully after today or tomorrow, this correction will be over and then everything will start shooting up again. That's what I expect. That's what I'm hoping. So we'll see. I'm not really worried about it. I'm still pretty optimistic about crypto in general. So what do you do when something like this happens? I would buy as much as I could. So that's what I did today and yesterday. I was buying, and I don't have any more fiat. I'm trying to sell some books quickly on eBay, see if I can get some more cash. I've spent what I can. So if I had more fiat, I would buy more crypto because right now the prices are fantastic for pretty much anything. So if you were looking at something and weren't sure if you wanted to get in or not, now is probably one of the best times to do it. Because I believe that after this week, we're probably going to see some really good gains. In the mining area, right now GPUs are pretty much out of stock everywhere. I did find two 1080 Ti's at my Fry's, but again, I don't have the money to pay for them at the moment, so they're going to sit there until somebody else picks them up. But GPUs are pretty much gone everywhere, or they're crazy overpriced. So the ones I have, the two 1080 Ti's, I paid $700 a piece for them, and right now online, like on Newegg or Amazon, they're $1,300 to $1,400 a piece. So that's twice as much as I paid for them. So I won't be buying a card until the prices come down a bit. Or hopefully, I believe new cards should be coming out here in the next month or two. And if not, I might try grabbing an ant miner, either for Litecoin, most likely for Litecoin, or script coins. So my portfolio right now, I'm down 12%, which really isn't much, but let me restate that. I'm down 12% since January 1st this year, but I don't expect that to last long. Like I said, I'm still very optimistic, especially with this correction. It's what I've been waiting for, something like this to happen, and now that it has happened, I'm a lot more positive on the rest of this year. In other news, BitConnect has been shuttered or closing down. Basically, they posted their closing and halting their lending program. Apparently, you can't log on to it to get your BitConnect coins out of it. And even if you have BitConnect coins in it, they've already lost like 90% of their value. So I'm glad I never got into that. I know Crypto Nick and Trevon James were probably the first videos I started watching when I got into crypto. They were my first subscriptions. And I don't know if they taught me what not to do or what to do. I never did invest in BitConnect. I never believed in it. And it always seemed like a scam to me. So I'm glad I didn't get into it. I do feel bad for anybody that did get into it and lost money. I just hope that if you did, you can see why and avoid that sort of thing so it doesn't happen to you again. I know BitConnect is coming out with an exchange. It might be totally legit, but it's something I would stay away from. These past weeks, I've purchased some exchange coins, specifically Binance and KuCoin. And I did this because I thought it would be a decent hedge for my altcoin holdings. I figured that there's a crash or correction like there is now, people are still going to be trading on exchanges and using those exchange coins to trade. So I figured the value of those would stay positive or continue going up. So with Binance, I think I bought that one 2 weeks ago, and I'm up 50% on that one. And KuCoin, the other one, I'm down 25%. But I bought that one last week, like around Friday or Saturday, I think. So that one's down 25%. But overall, together, I'm still up. I might buy some more or see if I can find another exchange that does that and buy some more just to diversify in case one of the exchanges goes down. But that is what's going on. This is my 16th week in crypto, and again, it's another roller coaster ride. I was not expecting a correction. I'm glad to see it. It's been really exciting to see what happens and how people react to it. My advice, this is not financial advice, my advice is to keep calm and hold or buy what you got. I think these past 16 weeks in crypto have been pretty amazing. I'm really glad I got into it. I wish I'd got into it earlier, so my learning curve would have been a lot better. Right now, if you're thinking about getting into the crypto space, today, tomorrow, yesterday is a great time to get in. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.